In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Sephora gift card balance. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to enter, and how to read your remaining funds with confidence. Grab your gift card or the email with your e-gift details so you have the card number and PIN handy. First, open your web browser and go to the official Sephora gift card balance page. Make sure you're on Sephora's legitimate site before entering any information. You should see the familiar Sephora branding and a secure connection in your address bar. If you reach the homepage, you can navigate to the gift card section and find the balance checker from there, but the dedicated balance page is the quickest route. Once you're on the right page, scroll down until you see the section labeled Check Balance. On desktop, it's typically near the middle of the page. On mobile, you may need to scroll a bit further. If any pop-ups or cookie notices appear, close or accept them so you can access the form. Next, enter your gift card number. For physical cards, this number is usually printed on the back. If it's hidden under a protective strip, you'll see the instruction to scratch gently to reveal it. For e-gift cards, the number is listed in the email you received when the card was sent. Type the number exactly as shown, and if you're copying and pasting from an email, remove any extra spaces or dashes to avoid errors. Now, enter your PIN. This is separate from the card number. On a physical card, it's often beneath a scratch-off panel on the back. For an e-gift, it will be in the same email as your card number. Treat your PIN like a password and keep it private. Some browsers may offer to save it. Only do this if you're on a personal, secure device. With both fields filled in, click the button that says Check Balance. The site may take a moment to process your request. If you see a quick verification step, complete it and proceed. Your remaining balance will then appear on the screen, typically as a dollar amount. That's the amount you can spend online or in-store, and it will update after each purchase. If the balance doesn't load or looks incorrect, double-check the card number and PIN for typos, make sure you're on the correct country's Sephora site, and try again. That's it. You went to the Sephora gift card balance page, found the check balance area, entered your gift card number and PIN, clicked check balance, and viewed your remaining funds. Keep your card details secure and consider bookmarking the page for quick access next time.